Good day, everybody. This is Dr. Brenda from Make Food Your Medicine and Medicine Your Food. And my purpose is just to provide some easy recipes that you can make for yourself or your family. They're easy, they're healthy, and the cleanup is a breeze. This is a recipe I saw on Facebook about two weeks ago, and I tried it. It was so delicious that I've had it at least 4 times in the past 2 weeks. It's very simple. All you do is that you take an avocado and you smash it up in a bowl, mash it up in a bowl, and then you chop up some cilantro, some red peppers, and then you have a can of tuna, or you can use fresh tuna if you'd like, and the juice of a lemon or half a lemon or lime. Okay. So when I come back, I will show you the final product. Like I said, it's easy, it's simple, it's healthy, and I think that you will really like it. And it's doing something good for your body. This is the way you make food your medicine and medicine your food. I'll be back at you later. Bye-bye.